Good morning. This is the last day of the 30-day challenge, and this is Bill Feaver. And the prompt for today is to talk about how we're going to move forward, what we've learned, and what we're going to do moving forward. I'm going to read this because I've written down a bunch of things that I want to share. Things I've learned: how to make YouTube video, some things about TubeBuddy, how to set up a group in Facebook and MeWe, how to post to Pinterest and connect to videos, how to post and connect your content to all the other content sites, how to create a vision board, how to answer questions that people post and to extend my reach. I bought the Freedom Launchpad that was set up for me. So now I'm going back and trying to learn how to set up my own pages and how to use the HBA Funnel Builder. I'm learning how to use other videos already made and connect them to my pages. And I'm learning how to place fishhooks all over cyberspace. Next, I want to continue to learn and set up the tools for my HBA business so that I can see strong, continuous income growth. I want to continue to learn, develop, and publish content. And I want to start to develop and publish children's books on Amazon. Last, I want to meet more people, develop relationships, and to have fun. That's what I've learned on the 30-day challenge. Thank you.